John, how was your weekend?
Hey, Sarah, it was great. I went hiking with some friends on Saturday, and on Sunday, I just relaxed at home. How about you?
That sounds fun. I had a family gathering on Saturday, and then I spent Sunday studying for our upcoming history test.
Oh yeah. That test is on Wednesday, right? I need to start studying for it too.
Yeah, it's coming up quickly. We should definitely study together. Would you like to join me after school in the library today?
That sounds like a good plan. I'll meet you there at 3:30 p.m.
Perfect. Do you have any questions about the material so far?
Not yet, but I'm sure I'll have some as we go through it. Thanks for offering to study together.
No problem. We can help each other out. Plus, it's more fun to study with a friend.
I agree. So, after the library, do you want to grab a snack at the cafe?
Sounds great. I could use a coffee to keep me awake.
Alright. See you in the library at 3:30.
See you there, John.